Here's a epoxy project that I kind of chopped up and started reworking. It did have, when I did it originally, this wasn't here. It came way out. It probably come out to here. It's probably about 6 foot or so when I originally started it, but it was the first epoxy table I ever attempted, so I used the wrong epoxy for the depth I was pouring. I poured like a 2-inch pour, and the epoxy I was using was only for a 1-inch pour, I think. So it had a really bad chemical reaction, and it all busted up and cured way too fast. And so I learned a lesson on that. But I was going to throw this away or burn it or something, but I'm kind of glad I kept it now because I think it looks pretty cool. And this is some of the epoxy that I was able to save in it, which still looks pretty good. A couple little spots up here that still looks good. It didn't start the chemical reaction until like after this. I guess these was small enough pores to where it still set up right, so I guess it didn't affect that. But all the rest, this big channel was filled with epoxy all the way down. Actually, I got it right over there against the wall. I'll show you. But anyway, I'm glad I did rework it because it's turning out to be a pretty cool little table. I'll probably just make it like a corner table, put some wrought iron legs on it, put a, like I said, a tabletop epoxy, a flood coat or whatever on the top of it. And I think it'll turn out pretty nice. But this is what I had going on anyway. It was pretty much a disaster. It started bubbling and fizzing and cracked all over. Like I said, I was going to throw it away, but I'm glad I didn't now because I cut all that off. And like I said, it's a pretty cool little table now. Actually, I can still use these two. I might make some, I don't know, maybe some floating shelves or something. They'll be kind of skinny, maybe, 4.5, 5 inches, maybe 6 inches at some of the wider points. But or I could even butt these together, maybe something like that, and maybe pour another table that way and just cut all that junk off. But anyway, it won't go completely to waste. But yeah, anyway, that's the table so far. Let me see if I can step up on this stump and get a little better view of it. If I don't fall. Oh, get my balance. There we go. Yeah, I think it's turned out pretty cool to be a salvage project. So, like I said, I'm glad I kept it, and I figured I'd share this little rework project. So thanks for watching, and I'll post some more stuff. Another cool thing too. I got the chainsaw carbon banner up in the shop today, so looks pretty cool back there. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be posting some more stuff as soon as I get some stuff done. Thanks for watching.